Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by claiming your business fast. Sign into the Google account tied to your business, open Google Business Profile, and click Add Location. Enter the exact legal name, then pick the most specific primary category so customers find you. Next, provide either a physical address or select service area mode, include phone and website. Once done, choose verification. Postcard is common, but phone or email appear for many businesses. Select the quickest available so you can move forward. Now you fill in the details that drive conversions. Add accurate regular hours plus special hours for holidays. Wrong hours create frustration, so be precise. Write a short customer-focused description explaining what you do and why you're different, and list services with pricing if applicable. Add attributes like women-led or on-site services. Upload clear photos, a logo, cover shot, and at least a few interior or product images. Make sure photos are high quality because visuals build trust. After verification, publish and monitor your listing regularly. You'll post updates and offers, answer Q&A, enable messaging, and respond to reviews to improve visibility and trust. Use insights to track views and actions so you can tweak photos, descriptions, or services for better results. If something goes wrong, missing listing, wrong address, or verification stuck, check for duplicate entries, confirm the chosen category, and re-request verification. If needed, delete duplicates and contact support through the profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.